We're eForms, the #1 source for online legal documents. Today, we're going to break down a topic that can be pretty complex for anyone that's ever purchased or gained possession of a home. We're talking about the difference between deeds and titles. Trying to differentiate between the two can leave you with more questions than answers. In fact, many people think that they're the same thing, or they often mistake one for the other. And here's something to bewilder you further. One you can hold in your hand, and the other you can't even touch. Are we adding to the confusion yet? Like comparing apples to oranges, deeds and titles are two very different things. With that, let's resolve the deeds versus title puzzle once and for all. First, let's go over deeds. What is a deed? A deed is a real, palpable document that transfers ownership from one individual to another. The document, which must include special language indicating that it is a deed, is the legal vessel that carries over ownership of something from one party to another. You can think of the deed as a vehicle driving over a very important, legally recognized message, one that bestows new responsibilities on the receiving party. After you buy a home, the deed, which shows that you legally own a property, is recorded in the county in which the property is located, usually by your title company that's involved when you purchase a home. Some states have different recording laws, but must follow the same guidelines. After the deed is recorded, the original copy is dropped in the mail and is sent to the new owner. After closing, you may receive the deed in a few weeks, but sometimes it can take a few months. Now that we know what deeds are, let's move on to titles. What is a title? Well, the deed is the message. Title is the power that comes with the message. When it comes to property, if you have what's called title, this means that you have the legal right to use, sell, alter, and enter the land. Since a title isn't something you can hold in your hand, it's a concept, like being the mayor of a town. You have special governing rights in accordance with the law, and title essentially works the same way. You have unique authorities that come with holding interest in the home and bear title to it until it gets passed along to someone else by way of a deed. If you own the home with someone else, then you have partial interest, but you still hold title. Let's do a quick recap. Deeds versus titles. Deeds are documents that grant new responsibilities, while title is the right to those responsibilities. Deeds are used to transfer property, while titles are the actual right to use the property. Finally, deeds are legal documents with signatures, while the title isn't an actual document. Get started on your real estate deed today by accessing our website, where you can find official state-specific templates. Find a link in the description below this video. And if you have any questions, leave a comment.